All right, welcome to the new daily recap. Let's discuss Friday, the 23rd of December. We're back, we're live. Last day of the year that we're on the charts. Don't know yet if I'll be there next year or next week. We'll see. Let's go. All right, so what happened? So we discussed this price action. Of course, we're still in the range. I think it was on Thursday. Yeah. So on Thursday, we delivered the final discount for this range. For this high is this low. So as you can see, we went from up to this low. So we place the tool over there. And this was our deepest discount after this low. And now we came up, took out internal highs. We took some internal lows, then took out more internal highs. And then we broke bearish. Now this was our bearish range coming into Friday. Or into Thursday, we left this POI over here, 30-minute POI with a 1-minute chaining POI, and look at this. I think it's the fair value gap. Let me check that real quick before we go any lower. Perfect. So we got the chaining inside the POI, which makes a strong POI. Let's see where I can tuck it. Doesn't let me. There you go. Clean. Last point of chaining. And this is our fair value gap. And look at that, where price reacted from the chaining fair value gap. And then went down again. So yeah, as you can see, price takes the first high over here, then induces sellers into the market over here, early sellers, then takes the second high, went down. Same over here, came down, came up, inducing buyers into the market, and then continuation down, breaking bearish on the structure. Now we can maybe see the same over here. To be fair, it already happened, or we came into the 30-minute POI, broke bearish, inducing sellers to the downside, and then continue up and then continue down. And now we have this bearish thing over here from this high down to this low in the 5-minute. But there were trade opportunities, and let's go higher first. So as you can see, we were ranging a lot this week. Took some internal candles, then Thursday was indecisive as well. And Friday we had sorry. We have an inside bar as well. Not much. And then what can we see here? Thursday. Oh, this is good. This is good, to be fair. Thursday, impulse is down. Friday and Thursday evening, correction on the way up, leaving wicks, and then leaving this for the next week. So what we can see maybe next week is that we take out these highs over here. These and this one. As you can see, we got some trend line going on over here. So I might take that out, and then as we took out these lows, then maybe continuation down, or we just turn down now because you already took out London highs. We'll see that, but and then we still got Asia lows down here, previous daily lows. For now, we're inside. Yesterday's candle. Oh, sorry. So either way, we take one side internal, or we can, let's draw it out. Take this internal liquidity, react from this POI over here. You can see it's unmitigated. If I put my line over there, see? So come up and then continue down. Second option, we take previous daily highs. Previous daily highs taken, then come down, or you continue down straight away. Then coming into Friday, what happened? Let's talk about what happened. So after Asia, Frankfurt Open, and we see price was pretty correctional. If anything, there was order flow trades for days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 order flow trade, 8 maybe. And this one as well. 5-minute. Not really. Yeah, there's the confirmation based one over there. Yeah. So early sellers over here. Just about. Just about. Where's the equal? Let me see. I think it's like 0.1 or not even, but just came below. No, okay, not really early sellers. Mm, 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 mm. Otherwise, you could have said like, okay, we came into this 5-minute POI, then bearish break structure, entry from the extreme candle over here. Let me just mark it out. So this is my early sellers. Why? This low, that's this high. Then we have our bearish break over here for this one. You think this one? Oh. Then we have our extreme order block. And we have our short entry from here. Why is it so big? Wait, above this candle, is this liquidity? This is, oh, my bad, wrong candle. Or not. No, this is the one. So 72. Ooh, that's a small one. 1.5. And then you don't have anything. You just go over it even or reduce stop loss, and then that's it. So not really anything over there. Also, you can see prices engineering liquidity towards the upside. Oh, what is this? You can see prices engineering liquidity over here. So really, and there's nothing to target yet over here. Price didn't engineer any liquidity at this low. So price comes up, take this high, take this internal high as well. What can we see? After taking the internal high, price comes down. And it's not so that it's not that like price is making a bearish break, but by after taking that high, it's just okay, we took liquidity and then it's inducing sellers. So not by breaking bearish, but just by moving down. Sorry. It's inducing sellers. Also by forming this candle without wicks to the downside, showing the bearish intent, inducing sellers. We can, in addition, we can see that price is correction on the way up here. So people try to sell there. There's some selling power. Then we take that. So first high taken, the price comes up into the 30-minute PY. Actually, we're in this 15-minute fair value gap, 30-minute fair value gap, and 1 hour was mitigated. Yeah, bro. It's funny how I remember these charts. Then we get the 5-minute minor break over here. So we get low, high. Let's see if that's a higher low. Okay, and this one as well. Oh, actually, so you could either take this one. This one is more like with more confidence, but this is also minor break on the 5-minute. Then let's see what price does. We got this 5-minute PY over here. Sorry, this one. I think that's the 50-minute one. Yeah, 50-minute one. And there you go. Loaded that to a high, early sellers over here. Early sellers. And there you get your entry. There's no entry? I thought there was an entry. Huh? Or was it on the 5-minute? No, there should be an entry. Hold up. There you go. So take from the 3-minute block, maybe stops above this high. If anything else, there is another confirmation bait trade. Low, high, higher low, higher high, and then equals to the downside, and you can take it from this block. So you can class this as like your break. Although it didn't really break, create equals. You can also decide like, all right, we hit the no, that doesn't fit the plan, I think. Does it? No. There's no like price range trap. So you can either take the direct entry from here, then also in London, what we have over here, you get some form of early buyers over here just by the forming this bullish structure. Then those are taken out to the downside with liquidity. And we get the minor break structure. And then you have your entry over here. Why this one? Because we didn't engineer any liquidity to the downside yet. So in order to take Asia lows, you first have to engineer liquidity, then move up. We're also high. Very sure. If this bullish structure going on, we got low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So there is liquidity taken. Entry from here. So stuck below the low. 1 to 5, easy. Pick up. So that's a pretty good trade, pretty decent trade going on the 50-minute. Okay, we see impulse down, sudden correction after taking these lows, then trade up. New York, what do we see? We have a straight entry from the 2-minute. There you go. We got this block, but we include the high. Then we have this going on. Bearish break. Liquidity building up. And then you're short. 1 to 5 hit before taking 8 London lows. And then there is nothing left. Then we come deeper. Oh, this is the direct entry. I know someone that took it. Amrit took it. Amrit. My bad. I'm tired. Took this trade. Or he showed me something like this because he said like this was the same as this. Something like that. It looks like the same. Taking minor break on the after taking Asia highs. Took some liquidity over here. And this in this case it reacted from this POI. And then another minor break, same here, minor break, and then entry from here. Just different time frame. So short, confirmation based short with a 5-minute entry, candle entry, 1 to 5 just plays out, then comes up into the 1-minute fair value gap, which is pretty interesting. Let's remove that. I love that when this happens. I see more and more often where I research my POIs and then you get like these little gems, if you want to call that. So we get the chaining going on inside our POI, making it a strong POI. And then boom, and leaving this gap behind. That's where price break from. Bearish break of structure again. And then going into New York, were there any longs, were there any shorts? No longs and ugly shorts. Definitely ugly shorts. Bearish break. A huge 1-minute POI. Or a huge, big one. Early sellers. Why early sellers? Because we took out this low that led to a high. Also liquidity building up here. Then minor break, low, high, higher, low, higher, high. More major break here. And the most major break is taking out this last point of bullish order flow. Does it take it out? I think it just takes it out. Just takes it out. But closes within. Then, so these are our breaks. This one, and this one as well. And then extreme candle, Y extreme candle. There's no, this one is no liquidity building up. Here it already taps, so. Oh shit, I'm recording, my bad. Okay, actually, I don't care. So we can, this was like our first sell point, and our first sell point is trap move. So that's why we don't look short from there. Fake. Then real short. Tapping in. This is late though. There's another trade to take on Friday, to be fair. Unless this is in your plan to trade. Otherwise, don't mind. Targeting is low. Until 7.5. Perfect trade though. Clean. Has all the confluences. Break. 3 breaks. First point of discount. bearish structure here. We got bullish break, one bearish break. So we got like one. We got 1, 2. Don't mind that's looking ugly. 1, 2, 3 structures lining up. 1, 2, 3 structures lining up that are bearish. And the confirmation rate, so base entry. So yeah, couple trades still within this slow price action, but we created a new bearish range. We're outside of this. However, there's still a lot to the upside, so we can still see price taking out this, make a fake bullish break, and then because here's building up liquidity as well, and then continue down. So today's recap, or the Friday recap, hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Have a great Christmas, or have just a great time with your family, or whatever you do in the weekend. I'm out.